Hey guys, so it's the next day and I wanted to talk about last night. It was really great to meet some other YouTubers. I met Darius from Plant Powered Activist and Jeannie from Banana Wisdom, which I didn't even know about, and some other people like Victoria, and I don't remember anyone else's names, but thank you guys. But we went out to dinner and it was a really great time just being able to talk with other vegans and talk a little bit more about just like doing YouTube and what we were planning on doing with our channels in the future. And yeah, I had a really awesome time and I really hope that I can do it again in the future. So thank you guys. So right now I am heading to a raw vegan restaurant. I kind of forgot the name, but it's a raw vegan restaurant at a kombucha bar. You guys know how I am with kombucha, so this is a treat. So yeah, let's go. So that totally wasn't enough food, and I didn't really want to get anything else since it was all raw, and I'm kind of craving some cooked food. So I'm gonna go back to the place that we went to for dinner last night and see what they got. It was really good, so I have high hopes. And I just need some more carbs in my life because I'm going to probably go to the park today, and I just need some extra energy. I didn't expect Vancouver to be as like beautiful as it is. All the pictures that I saw online definitely do not do this city justice. It's just gorgeous here. Like, can't really see downtown because I'm on the other side of Stanley Park, but you can see like Grouse Mountain in the background and all the mountains back there. It's just so stunning. it's dinner time and it's my last evening in Vancouver. So I'm going to this vegan restaurant that's pretty close to my Airbnb. It's called Zen Lounge. And I'm gonna have dinner, and that's pretty much all I'm probably gonna end up doing for the rest of the night, but who knows. Too bad I'm not hungry for ice cream. You don't ever really see like all vegan ice cream shops, even in the United States, so that's really cool to see it here in Vancouver. So I am back from dinner, guys, at Zen Lounge, and I just decided to get like a really light dinner because I had eaten like 2 hours prior to that, and then I had eaten 2 hours prior to that, so I was pretty like set on food for the day. But yeah, everything was really great there, and I ended up talking to my server for like a good like 15-20 minutes off and on about like veganism and how we ate as vegans, and talking about eating raw, and just talking about things that were going on in our own personal lives and travel and stuff like that. And it was really, really nice just to talk to someone about that, since I'm here by myself. So it was really nice to just connect with another person. Yeah, everyone's been so friendly here in Vancouver. It's really great. I have no complaints at all. I really love this city, and I wish I could stay a little bit longer, but I can. I have to leave in the morning. So going back to Seattle, and just being here has kind of got me in a weird kind of funk, because once I get back to Seattle, there's gonna be some changes, and I'm not gonna talk about it in this video. It's kind of another video kind of thing. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you guys maybe a little bit of a heads up to that, so just be on the lookout for that video soon. Yeah, this view actually is really amazing behind me. I'll give you a better look of it so I can when I turn this light off. So I think I'll end the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at Lost in Vegetation to keep up with me, Jeff, and all my vegan content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! So I'm on my way to Vancouver City Center, and they're doing a Earthlings experience there, so I at least wanted to go and check it out.